Hey you guys, so yesterday I pulled out all my Christmas decor that I had from last year and showed you guys like some of the things that I was thinking about in terms of how to decorate my space and decorating my living room and my room and stuff like that. So today I'm actually about to head out and go look at some stuff, pick up some stuff from the stores and do some Christmas shopping. So tonight I'm just kind of keeping it light. I'm going to start at the lower end and work my way up, in which I'm going to go to like Dollar Tree and see what I can do for DIYs, and go to like Dollar General because it's kind of like a step up from there and see what they have. And then tomorrow, which will be later in the vlog, I will see where else I need to get, like go to Burlington, TJ Maxx, stuff like that. But I'm about to head out and start at Dollar Tree and see what they have, some cute stuff that I could possibly spruce up and do whatever. So I have some main things that I know I need to get, like especially it's like more ornaments, something for this wall. I need to get some garland for the hallway. What else do I need to get? Some lights and stockings. I think those are the main elements, and then I want to do some cute stuff in my room, but probably won't find that at the stores, but we'll see. But I'm gonna take you guys with me because I'm about to head out, so let's go. Dollar General has a nice like area. They have cups. Do I want a cup? Up to Snow Good. This is cute. Make it merry. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I think I like up to Snow Good. I think this is cute. They have a lot of gift bags and stuff. So they have a nice selection of stuff. I got this cup so I can like have my lemon water and stuff like that and cucumber water in it for work. They have some garland. I could do gold garland for the tree. It's 9 feet. Let's see. I think I'll need, we're gonna do this candy cane color. So my colors are red, green, and gold. So I can get 2 of the gold garland. Or do I want to get red? But I have a lot of red. I have a lot of red ornaments, so maybe I don't want to do red. What else we have over here? So we have like some window things. These are loot bags, treat bags. These are stickers for like the window. I could put these like on our window. Or is that doing too much? I might be doing too much. Let's see. Magnets. That's window decoration. These are magnets. These are cute to put on the fridge. Oh, I don't like I thought they were like white. It's like that ugly sparkly color. This is cute. This is for the door. Put a little bell on the door. Is this annoying? I don't know, that's cute. They have like cookie cutters. They look kind of cheap, so I don't know about those ones. Got bells. Let's see. And all these bows. So I do need to find something to put in like as centerpieces. So could I do bells? That's the idea. Let's see what else is over here. Let's see. This is cute. So when I was talking about that big wall and I was like, I want to do like an Instagram-y wall, this is what I was thinking, like in terms of like doing different wreaths. But if I do like this one, like this one's cute and festive, I wonder how many of these will I need to cover the entire wall. That's the question. I don't know. I have like these little cutouts. this. This says like Merry Christmas. This is really pretty. Now we're into the ornaments. And they're really glam. This is really pretty. If I had a tree in my room, I'm still deciding if I want to put a tree in my room. Let's see. Since we're doing gold, that's pretty. I do need more ornaments. I'm not in love with the rest of the ornaments that I see, because I don't want them to look like too cheap. The reindeers are cute though. So what was that? The violins. That's really pretty. Like more of the glam ones, like these, are standing out. I don't know. Stuff like this I don't want to just get. I need to like plan it out in my head first. Put a little bit more thought into it. So I got everything I needed from Dollar Tree. Just like some pieces, you know, don't want to go too overboard in Dollar Tree because I don't want things to look too cheap. But now I'm about to head into Dollar General and see what they have. Hopefully they have some good stuff. I got a lot of good stuff from Dollar General last year, so this is a different one. So let's see what they got over here. On top of needing Christmas stuff, I need some toilet paper. So, gotta get some toilet paper. I strongly dislike the All of Me John Legend song. It's a story behind why I dislike it, but I'm just like so anti against it right now in life. And they're playing it. I want like something sweet. Who remembers the toaster strudels? I used to be so obsessed over these. I think I'm gonna get them. Just because I can now. My mom did not let us really eat these as a child because it was too much sugar for breakfast. She was one of those mothers. So I can get it now because I'm grown. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, Christmas stuff. Boom. So they just have like one long row full of Christmas stuff. But they have a nice, cute little selection. They have dollar containers. Like if I wanted to pack my lunch and be real head ass, I could. What is these? Oh, this is a candle. Let's see. This is kitchen stuff. Bathroom stuff. Cookie gift boxes. That's so cute. Let's see if there's anything good. Let's see. Candles. They even have garland that has LED lights on it. Does it work though? That's the question. Or if it works, how long is it gonna work for? I do want to like put some, I forgot what this called, like frost or fake snow on my Christmas tree. So I have to find the spray. I'm pretty sure Target sells it, like the fake Christmas snow or whatever, because I gotta put that on my tree. I think that's the vibe I'm trying to go for this year, to like spruce up my little tree, because she's little and she's cute. They don't have any cute ornaments. It looks like Dollar Tree had cuter ornaments. Like honestly, truly. Let's see. I have these little elements. I need to figure out like what my theme is. I know I'm going like for the red and green, but besides that, what else is like my theme. Like, do I want to have like these little elements into it? I know I definitely want like a countdown. I don't like this one though. I don't like the truck in the car. We have been good all year, only 25 days to Christmas. Like, I want a countdown, but just like not that. That's just not it. Let's see. We have ribbon. I do need some lights, so I can pick up some lights. What are these? 100, 200 bulbs. I don't need 200. I could do 50. 50 to add to what I already have. What are these? Like paintings, joy. Okay, so if this is it with their Christmas stuff, not really too, yeah. They could have came a little bit harder. But I'm gonna go see if there's another like row full of stuff. Cause this ain't it. So I'm home now, so I wanna show you guys what I got from the store. These bags are heavy. Just move them out the way. Put the stuff over there. I'm about to just lay everything out on the table because it's just easier for me to know what I have and what I need to get. Okay, so this is what I already have. So I have a lot of red, some gold, and then like some of these ornaments. So I got more green ones to add to it, and these ones have like sparkles on it, shiny and matte ones. So I think I'm good with ornaments, unless I want to get like some more like specialty ornaments. And if I do, I'll get those in gold. I need to see what kind of gold I already have. So I have like that shiny gold color. So I probably will pick up some specialty ones, just a few that are in this type of gold. I got the new stockings to go on the wall, so everybody got a new stocking. I need to get something and see what's the best, I guess like paint or material to like put names on here. Or this year I think I might switch it up and just do like an initial. Yeah, I think I might just do an initial instead of trying to spell out the whole name. I could go to Michael's and get the little plates and the little elements. Might do that, depending on how much those come out to be. My goal is to spend no more than like $50 for all of my decor. So I spent $10 in Dollar General, and then I just went, well, Dollar Tree, and then Dollar General I went, I think I only spent, at a Dollar General, I only spent like $2 because the rest of the stuff was like household stuff. So I'm still like way under budget for the stuff that I want to get. I did get this brownie mix that during Vlogmas. I do want to make this, so I got that. Thought that would be good. More stockings. Let's see, because I'm gonna be a head ass all season. I got a wine mug that says "Dear Santa, the wine made me do it." Thought this is just really cute to drink my wine in. And then I got a cup from my desk and at work to fill up with like some cucumber and lemon and water, or if I just want to put anything in it. It didn't come with a straw, so I guess it's more like a sippy cup. Not a sippy cup, but like, you know, one of those type of cups, and it says "Up to Snow Good." I thought that was really cute to have. I like cute little cups and things like that. And what else did I get? Got some more lights to go with the lights I already have. I got marshmallows because I'm going to be creating a really, really cute like Instagram-y type background with this. So I have to get some more elements for this. And let me make sure she run them up correctly and I got the deal on them. I did. So I got those. And then I got snacks. Got hot Cheetos and stuff like that. So that was everything that I got. So then tomorrow I just have to get some more pieces and go see was out there. So I'm gonna bring you guys along tomorrow for some more holiday decor shopping, but now we'll up it and go to like Burlington, TJ Maxx, probably hit Marshall's, and then like Target. So I'll let tomorrow be like the final day, and then if I have to go back out to get like finishing touches, I will, but I'm trying to like wrap it up tomorrow so that way I can decorate. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video here. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. I'm about to watch some Disney Plus and sit on the couch. I got wine, drink some wine. I got popcorn and snacks and all that. So I'm just gonna have a nice chill night in and watch TV. Really excited to decorate. I'm really excited for like this like mini series that I'm doing. So like this is like the first one. I'm gonna go shopping around. That's another one. You guys will come and see me, you know, putting up the tree, decorating, and I'll give you guys like an official house tour. So we have more videos coming, so go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you know when I do post new videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Mwah.